Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Now, before I go into the commentary on text 13 of chapter 5, wealth and material opulence are not for mere animal existence, and God consciousness is how we become more than human beings. We always get opportunity to serve God in a form we can handle. Civilization should not be about what one can get away with. One should take on all social roles with the intent to influence towards liberation. Repetition is for the gradual purification and perfection of attainment. Civilization should focus on survival and benevolence over luxury. That is why there isn't a number of times the world population worth of food production capability. And in the 1970s, there was something that came out that said if there was a focus on producing the needs rather than luxury, you could produce 10 times the current world population. I forget which year it was. So it said that California alone could produce a few times the world population without any advance in technology. Just don't overgraze, don't give all the food you're growing to the animals just to, produce meat and milk. It is possible for all to have land ownership. Variety is needed for perfection. Befriend the universal soul as an individual soul. In the service, operating a body. Don't limit religion to the provincial. There is sight and sound that goes beyond the ordinary sight and sound. But how many understand the role of God and even creation? In the ordinary, the lack of material signs is not proof against the involvement of the spiritual. Vedic authority is by scriptures, logic, and hearing inspiration. People with eating should worry about their own actions and be satisfied with eating dedicated food. Let the sinners accept their own risk. Well, we're facing a plague because of sinners, but it's affecting other people too. Don't appreciate a scripture as a good book, but learn to live entirely for God. Distinguish between science and civilization. We shouldn't put things to mere chance. The living spirits have the ability to have God consciousness and right action. Culture is not to advance past the old spiritual ways. Only the material variety has seen change. A start to demonism is to have things of which there is no mention of God. Only the material variety has seen change. Yeah, find real teachers. The spiritual practices naturally exorcise. May take up the place. Oh, dirt may take the place of soap. But being clean and bathing daily are essential. A demon may be someone who doesn't see potential for perfection or reason for progress. The spiritual life may be the spiritual life may be more about, yes, but some need sensory deprivation. Religion's role should be more than just religious rule should be more just than secular rule. A placated enemy may get stronger. Build on identity in response to all things. Know why you study. Know the importance of spirituality in all things. Gain the sight beyond the mundane. Don't be an armchair archaeologist. Neither the physical nor the mental is illusion itself, but it's what's done about it. May God consciousness isn't about personal status, but universal kindness. There are different degrees of evil and ignorance. Death is essential to be aware of. Find the peace beyond lust. Work on affecting those around you. Be devoted to who created that which you desire about. And Navadvari pure dehe hamso lalayata bahye vasi sarvasa lokasya stavarasya charasya cha. And yeah, the 9 gates, God in control. From the Svetasvartara Upanishad 3:18, but